Let's go.
So this is Paul. He's the main mechanic here at RecumbentPDX, and he is showing off a Catrike. Is this a Dumont?
This is a Dumont.
Dumont, and it has a Bosch electric assist in front. And here's the controller, nice big colorful screen.
And on the screen you have various options that you can scroll past, showing your trip distance, average speed, shows you what altitude you've been doing.
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that!
Built-in maps.
Oh my gosh,
So
look at
keep track
that!
of where you're at. You can also set a home position on this, and if you're out wandering around and it's like, oh crap, how do I get home? You can hit go home, and it'll plan a route and get you back to your house.
Oh, that's just amazing.
So, then there's more things you can it'll actually keep track of how much power you've been doing versus how much power the engine's been doing.
Oh, isn't that amazing?
This will also coordinate with any Bluetooth heart monitor,
Wow.
so you can keep track of your heart rate. And then there's various
this is
other
how you
things,
go.
Bluetooth and set the brightness and design.
Right.
One of the cool features on this is you can actually set a start gear on it. So you've been riding along, trucking along at high speed, and you come to that stoplight and it's like, boom. And it's like, oh crap, I'm in the wrong gear. Well, one with a roll-off, you wouldn't worry about that anyway. But this will reset back to your start gear.
So
You know,
anytime
when you're sitting there at the stoplight, you can hear the little drive motor for the roll-off go, beep, 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 and it goes back to,
Wow.
we have it set for fourth gear.
So you come to a stop, and it just resets.
It automatically downshifts to your start.
Wow.
So and all that is coordinated with the roll-off shifter mount down here.
Oh, let me see. So this is the roll-off. It's a 14-gear internal hub,
Internal hub.
and this is the shifting mechanism.
Yep. I can't see your screen now.
There we go.
So yeah, this is your shift mechanism. So you can upshift and downshift with the touch of a button. So there you can see it's in third gear of 14. It shows it right on the screen.
Wow, the roll-off.
And on the roll-off. And as
And
I click the
then-
button here, you can see it just jumped to 14. And if I just hold the button down,
It'll just go
it'll
all the
jump.
way up.
Yeah.
Wow, you hold the button down, it goes back down to
Yeah.
whatever you
and
want.
if I hit, just hold the button down, it jumps in jumps of 3. The other thing, because they coordinate between the two, it will actually pause the motor. You don't even notice it happening, but it will pause the motor to take the pressure off of the roll-off so it can shift. So the two talk to each other.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, and
it's
it
something that's only available. You can't add this E-Shift kit from Rohloff. It only works for the Bosch drive system.
okay. Only with the Bosch, not the Shimano, not the
Not the
Bafang,
Shimano, not the Bafang, not
any other, just
not any other.
just
it
the
only
Bosch.
works with, it coordinates with the Bosch.
Wow,
The German companies came together and said, we will talk to each other
that's
and
it.
nobody else.
That's right. Wow, man, this is sweet though.
Yeah.
Wow,
So
we can dream. We can dream.